Hopefully you guys can hear me. So I'm making this video to show you guys what I just bought. And this is actually for my business, again, for my filmmaking business. And I needed to upgrade um, my audio equipment for work because I was using kind of old stuff and I was rocking the NTG2, the Sennheiser G3. The G3 is good. They're still good, but I needed some extra. I needed another mic for like the second interviewee, just in case. These are not cheap items. These are pretty expensive. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. And this is the two boxes. I'm gonna have one more again, which is, I'll tell you guys now, it's the case from the case for the Rodecaster Pro, which is my podcast soundboard. Okay, let's go do an unboxing. Box number one. Autofocus is on. So, show you guys what I got. Ooh. So we got the Mogami Gold XLR cables for my boom mic. Supposedly these are top of the line. This cost me $50. This is $50. It's not cheap. We got the PG2R, which is basically the pistol grip for microphone. The brand new Zoom F6. This cost me around $649. The PG2R, it was around $75. But yeah, this one is a beauty. I was gonna settle for the F8N, but I didn't want to spend the extra. I want to get. So what I did was, instead of spending $1,000 on the F8N, I used that money and bought the G4. So again, F6, this is the newest model of the Zoom line. The only thing about this, they said, is it doesn't have any gain adjustments. And we got the G4 portable lab mic set. These are good. I love my G3s. I just needed to get another pair for second person on camera. Okay, box number one. Let's put this on the side. Now let's go box number two. Okay, this wasn't really that good. Boom. NTG3B means broadcast. So this is the professional line for Rode mics, Rode shotgun mics. This thing got good reviews. I have the NTG2s, but they sound kind of crappy. And the great thing about this too, it's actually what is this? Precision radio frequency bias condenser, and it's weatherproof too, aluminum. Oh, it comes with aluminum case, weatherproof. And the great thing about this is I like it because it's actually the warranty is actually great, and my NTG2 is in warranty right now. It's at the facility that they do like checkups for your equipment. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. See you guys later. Peace.